Hey guys, Luke here, Tranquility Based Detailing. So a lot of you guys will know I'm a man of many waxes and I do love it. It's a real passion for me, but it occurred to me the other day, I've never made a how to wax a car video. So, how to wax a car? Step number one is this, you need to choose a wax. There's a lot of choice. If you want my thoughts on what is the best wax, click on this link here and I'll tell you what I think is the best wax in my own words. Once you've selected the wax, get yourself a wax applicator. It makes life easier. They're a small foam disc. Many varieties are available. Try some, find the one that works for you, your hand size, what you're comfortable holding, and then run this across the surface of the wax. Pick up a very fine amount on your wax applicator. Remember this, when applying a wax, thin is king. So you're going to lay it down very thinly, but be thorough, make sure you get good even coverage, you don't miss any spots. It may help you to dampen with water the applicator. It will glide across the paint easier. It helps to get a thin layer. In terms of the question that comes up, which should I wax in straight lines or circles, honestly does not matter in the slightest. Anyone that tells you that waxing in circle introduces swell marks is talking out of their anus. Don't worry about that. This is wax that's applied too thickly. So to give you a visual cue, if you've got this opaque thick film across your paintwork, you've used too much, it's going to be a git to remove. This is a panel that's been waxed with a very thin layer, and I challenge you to spot really what I'm removing. That is the goal. Keep an eye on it for cure times. Have a look at what the manufacturer suggests. Factor in for temperature, humidity, everything in your area. And when it's ready to remove, buff it with either a long pile or a short pile microfiber cloth. I'm going to put these two side by side for a comparison in a second. The reason I say to use either or, and it's best to have both on hand, is some waxes come off easy with a short pile, some with a long pile, some one followed by the other. Feel out what your wax likes and just go with whatever the feedback that wax gives you. Then the fun part. Wait for the sun to crack from behind those grey clouds. Sit back and take your Instagram photos. Now, yes, a side shot is appealing. Yes, a side shot is glossy. But let's remember why we do this. We do it for the love of the car. We do it for looking after and protecting our investment. And frankly, just enjoying the company of your own motor. Take some photos, take some videos, put them on Instagram, put them on Facebook, and be proud that you waxed the car, and it's much better than going to those hand car washes. If you have any questions, ask them below. I'm always available on Instagram and Facebook as well as on here, so check me out over there. If you want to like, share, subscribe, all good stuff, and check back soon for future videos. Take care. Bye-bye.